Are you looking for top-notch roofing services in Ocala, the Villages, or Lady Lake? Look no further than Platinum Roofing and Exteriors. Whether you need roof repair, a fresh installation, or a thorough inspection, we've got you covered. Our experienced team specializes in shingle roofing, replacements, and regular maintenance to keep your home safe and stylish. With Platinum Roofing and Exteriors, you can trust your roof is in good hands. Don't wait any longer. Schedule your free estimate today and ensure your roof's future is secure and solid.